Welcome to our tutorial on how to hide rows and columns in Excel. Hiding rows and columns can help you focus on specific data without deleting any information. Let's begin. First, open your workbook and navigate to the worksheet where you want to hide rows or columns. Select the rows you want to hide. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Cells group, click Format. From the drop-down menu, select Hide and Unhide, then choose Hide Rows. Then do the same by selecting Columns to hide columns. You can also use the right-click Context menu to hide rows or columns. Right-click on the selected rows. From the Context menu, select Hide. After, select Columns to hide, then right-click and click Hide. To recap, hiding rows and columns in Excel can be done using the ribbon or the right-click Context menu. This helps you keep your worksheet tidy and focus on the data you need. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Excel Tutor. See you next time.